Hey everyone, so before this video gets started, if you're an Uber driver or a Lyft driver or a gig worker and you want to get guaranteed pay every single time you go out and drive, there's this new app called Solo, and when you use the link below to sign up, they're actually just going to give you $10 simply for trying out the app, totally for free, anywhere in the country. It's free to sign up, and you can get access to mileage tracking, expense tracking, help with your taxes. This awesome app Solo, you can download it right now, get 10 bucks, and again, get access to guaranteed pay. Let's get started with the video. So you want to read this article?
Yeah. Okay, so how to make more money with Uber. Have you completed your requirements and done enough rides to collect your Uber sign-on bonus? Congratulations. But now that that's over, you're probably wondering...
Congratulations. Oh, Izzy got booted. Okay, guys, I'll do this. So basically, here, 75 bucks an hour, it might not be possible all the time, but we're going to talk about tips on how to get to that dollar amount because it is definitely possible. So schedule around surge. So make sure you're scheduling, this is a secret, scheduling your hours to be around surge pricing. Okay, so you can also track and reduce your expenses. Like with Solo, you can do that. They have expense tracking. That's going to help you with taxes. Drive for both Lyft and Uber at the same time. Go above and beyond. You can have snacks and water. You can have little candy bars. What do you think, Izzy? Do you appreciate when drivers, hand out snacks and candy bars to you?
Yeah.
Open the door for you, help you with your luggage, help you load your groceries. Yeah, help with the
luggage is really nice, to be honest.
Yeah. I would say if you're doing airports and you're helping unloading and loading luggage, guarantee 5 stars and maybe a little tip as well.
Yeah.
So yeah, and then also signing up for other things like Play Octopus. Like Play Octopus tablet is an absolute game changer because now you're getting paid extra money to simply have a tablet in your car, right?
Yeah.
You have a tablet in the back seat of your car or in the back of your headrest, and you're making money simply by having that there. So, it's starting now your income's going up and up and up, and combine all these strategies and you're talking about a good chunk of change. I mean, it's not bad.
Yeah.
Okay, let's move on to the next topic here.